just love rivers. Rivers are so nice. Oh, hi. I'm Conservation Agent Tarver, and I am here to talk to you about rivers. Rivers are moving bodies of water, some fast and some slow. Some rivers are so polluted, no organisms can live there. So maybe we should try and help out. Rivers have no salt, and you will find freshwater animals in them. Some river animals spend time in the water and on land. Man, they must be pretty awesome. Not all animals can live in all rivers. Some are too slow for fast currents. There are 13 species of otters and an animal you would find in rivers. Pickerel weed is a perennial plant that can grow up to 3.5 feet tall. And that's just a weed. Think of those weeds outside. Those grow like a couple inches. Now, my documentary is over on rivers, and I will sign out today. Conservation Month is out. Man, these bald eagles are beautiful. I'm trying to watch the bald eagles, but I'll tell you some quick facts on the deciduous forest, okay? The average temperature of deciduous forest is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The average rainfall is 30 to 60 inches. That is a lot of rain. Animals found here adapt and hibernate in the winter, like when you hear about the grizzlies and how they sleep. Deciduous forest has 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring. These deciduous forests have lost a lot of land to farms and towns. Shagbark hickory is found in the eastern U.S. Bald eagles can be found in deciduous forest and are the U.S. national bird. We're trying to watch bald eagles. The tundra is such a magical place. But it is cold. It is cold with little rain in the tundra, and it is cold when I say it is cold. The tundra has mostly dwarf shrubs, and I thought the dwarfs were only in the 7 dwarfs of the Snow White movies, but I guess there are shrubs that are dwarf shrubs too. Generally, in the northern part of the world, rodents, rabbits, and caribou eat grasses and shrubs. Weasels, fox, and owls also live in the tundra, and I didn't know owls lived in the tundra. You will find polar bears eating and hunting seals. Poor seals. Bearberry is a low-growing evergreen, and that concludes my research project on the tundra. Oh man, it's really rainy here in the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are near the equator, so that's probably why it's really rainy. In some parts of Brazil, average temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Average rainfall is more than 3 meters per year. The kinkajou and basilic lizards live there. Rainforests have more species than all other biomes. Wow, that must be a lot of species. Toucans live in the rainforest and mainly eat fruit. Bengal bamboo is found in the South Asian rainforest. Oh gosh, a snake. Man, the grassland. It's really nice. I farm here, and I can tell you some quick facts that I learned while I was working on the grassland. The pioneers called grasslands sea of grass, and that's pretty much true, because all of it's flat with grass pretty much. There are biomes that are covered with many types of grass and not many trees. Bison, antelope, and prairie dogs eat the grass. Wolves and coyotes live there and hunt animals. Climate, water supply, and enemies affect the habitats of grasslands. Milkweed is found here and has a poisonous sap. Oof, think over that. Buffalo roam the grasslands in herds. Man, now can I get back to my combining? Man, I am in the biome taiga. I am trapping mink. Mink are found and they are related to otters, weasels, and ferrets. Taiga is the biome with the trees that have needles, like pine. Some animals are bears, elk, moose, and wolves. Smaller animals are mice, porcupine, and wolverines, but not like the movie X-Men. These animals have fur to keep them warm. Ducks, owls, and woodpeckers may be found in the taiga. Mink are found in the taiga as well. Some white spruces grow beyond the Arctic Circle. Now, I need to get back to my trapping because I only have a little bit left. Man, I am baking. It is really sunny and hot in the desert. Deserts are often defined as an area that gets less than 25 centimeters of snow or rain, and that is true because it is hot. Rattlesnakes, jackrabbits, lizards, and beetles live here too in the desert. You can find bushes, grasses, and cactus in the desert as well. The largest deserts are found in Africa and Southwest Asia. Some deserts are rocky and not sandy, and I didn't know that was true. Camels can regurgitate food and eat it again in extreme conditions, like when they're out of food and they have to eat something. Barrel cactus can be used as an emergency source of water when you're in a bad situation. Maybe I can find a way to get out of this desert. Bye. I am snorkeling on the Hawaii coral reefs. Coral reefs are like busy cities in the ocean, like Oahu. Divers can see sharks, clams, crabs, clownfish, eels, and many other animals. Corals are animals that have a special relationship with algae. As coral grow and die, their skeletons pile up to make reefs. Coral reefs grow best in water that does not have many nutrients. There are 30 different types of species of clownfish. Some species have maroon and yellow coloring instead of orange and white, like Nemo in the movie Finding Nemo by Disney Pixar. Many people didn't know about clownfish until the movie. Coral typically live in compact colonies of many identical polyps. Goodbye. Today I'm in the deep sea, but not too deep. In the deep sea, sunlight cannot reach the bottom, so plants cannot grow. Many animals of the deep sea eat plants and animals that sink from above. Within deep sea vents, there are bacteria that can make food from chemicals. In the deep sea, water pressure is very high. The animals that live in the deep sea are adapted for the pressure and cannot survive at the surface. Humpback anglerfish live between 1,500 meters and 4,500 meters below the surface. You won't find many plants, but you will find some bacteria. Goodbye. Oh, sorry, oh, you saw that. Oh, hi, I am Wetland Months, and I'm here to talk to you about the wetlands. Many plants and animals live on land and water in wetlands. The wetland of Florida Everglades has vast areas of sawgrass over 3 meters tall. Oh my gosh, that is so tall. Alligators, fish, deer, snakes, and other animals live here. Oh, snakes creep me out. A swamp is a wetland with many types of trees and bushes. Salt marshes are grassy wetlands at the edges of estuaries. Alligators usually weigh 790 pounds. Whew, how many turkey legs has he been eating? Whew. And are about 13 feet long. Whoa, that is long. A red maple is a deciduous tree that can be found in a wetland. Now, can I get back to my wetland duck hunting?